Hello everyone. A very warm good morning to you all. I'm Khushbu. I'm working as an assistant professor in BBD University, Lucknow. Today I'm going to present a topic, and the topic of my presentation was edible vaccine. Edible vaccine is a combination of two words, edible and vaccine. Edible, what is edible? Edible is capable of being eaten, and vaccine, it is a biological response which contain antigenic material, and it stimulate the immune system to fight against diseases or viruses. These are edible vaccine are those vaccine which can be eaten. Edible vaccine are transgenic that contain genetic material in it. So edible vaccine are transgenic plant and animal based product which can stimulate the immune responses of animals. The concept of edible vaccine was developed in 1990 by Charles. It contained DNA fragments from the original pathogen, which responsible for stimulating the body immune response. These are the mucosal target vaccines which cause stimulation of both systematic and mucosal immune response. A revolutionary approaches to health related to edible vaccines are edible vaccines, also known as plant bodies, represent a novel and promising strategy for delivering vaccine through the consumption of food. This approach holds the potential to revolutionize global health by providing a safe, accessible, and cost effective way to immune against infectious diseases. The concept of edible vaccine. Edible vaccine are created by genetically modifying plant to produce antigen, which are proteins that trigger an immune response. When consumed, these antigens stimulate the immune response to develop antibodies, providing protection against the targeted disease. These are genetic engineering, help in genetic engineering. Plants are genetically modified to produce antigen protein that trigger an immune response. They are delivered by oral. Vaccines are delivered through the consumption of food, eliminating the need for injection. It stimulates immune response. The antigens stimulate the immune response system to develop antibodies, providing protection against the disease. What is the advantages of vaccine? Why these vaccines are developed? So, the edible vaccine offers several advantages over traditional vaccines, including improved accessibility, affordability, and ease of administration. Accessibility is nothing but they can be readily distributed in areas with limited access to healthcare infrastructure, such as remote villages. Affordability. Nowadays, vaccines are become so costly that normal or middle person normal or middle person unable to afford that medicine. So these edible vaccines are cheap enough, so easily everyone easily afford this. The cost of producing and distributing edible vaccine can be significantly lower than traditional vaccine. Ease of administration, they are easily administered by everyone at any age group. Ease edible vaccine can be administered through simple consumption, eliminating the need for trained healthcare professionals. They are cheap, so they can be produced in large amount. They can be ingested by eating the plant part. Oral or needle-free vaccine produce mucosal immunity at various sites by secreting antibodies. Low risk of infections, no worries about reuse, misuse, or lack of sterilization, avoidance of sterilized infections, heat stable and do not require cold chain maintenance, ease to store, safe. It triggered immunity at the first line of defense at the mucosal surface. Example of edible vaccines. Plant used for edible vaccine are potato, banana, rice, carrot, peanuts, wheat, corn and soybean, etc. Several edible vaccine candidates have been developed and are undergoing clinical trials, demonstrating the potential of this technology. One notable example is the development of edible vaccine against Norwalk virus, a common cause of food poisoning using banana. Norwalk virus is also known as norovirus, a common cause of food poisoning, especially in children. Norwalk virus is a virus that causes inflammation of the stomach and large intestine when infected. Norwalk is a common and very contagious virus. It causes nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Banana beans vaccine have been genetically modified to produce antigen that target the Norwalk virus. Clinical trials. The vaccine have shown promising result in earlier clinical trials. Now, challenges in developing edible vaccine. Despite the promise of edible vaccines, several challenges remain to be addressed before they can be widely implemented. First, stability, immunogenicity, bioavailability, and regulatory approvals. First, stability. Maintaining the stability and efficacy of antigen in food product is crucial. Second, immunogenicity. Electing a strong and durable immune response is essential for long-lasting protection against diseases. Bioavailability, ensuring that the antigen are properly absorbed and produced by digestive system is vital for their effectiveness. Regulatory approval. The testing and regulatory approval processes are necessary to ensure the safety and efficacy of edible vaccine. Potential edible vaccines are the researchers are exploring various plant platforms for developing edible vaccines targeting a wide range of infectious diseases. The diseases which are available, and for that diseases the edible vaccines are prepared are as follows. Disease are hepatitis B. So for treating the hepatitis we give vaccine in rice form. For diarrhea we inject the vaccine dose in potato. For malaria, tomato, and HIV for lettuce. Ongoing research and development regarding this vaccines are as follows. Significant advantage are being made in the field of edible vaccine, with promising results emerging from ongoing research. First is improved plant platform. New plant platforms are being developed to ensure antigen production and stability. Advanced delivery system. Researchers are exploring innovative delivery system to optimize antigen viability and immunogenicity. Clinical trials. Numerous clinical trials are undergo to evaluate the safety and efficacy of edible vaccine candidates. This presentation has explored the exciting potential of edible vaccine as a revolutionary approach to global health. Continued research and development are crucial to overcome the remaining challenges and bring these innovation vaccine to the world. Thank you. Hope you liked the lecture.